Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making fried rice out of my leftover rice and limited supplies that I have at my hotel room. You will need leftover rice, about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 2 teaspoons of coriander cumin powder, salt to taste. I also have crushed red pepper that I'm going to be using, 4 eggs, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, and some oil. We'll begin by chopping the onion. I am done chopping the onions, so now let's get our pan ready. I'm going to turn the stove on and add some oil. To the oil, I will add my cumin seeds. I will let the cumin seeds change color and become aromatic. So the cumin seeds are starting to change color and become aromatic, so I'm going to be adding my onions. You want to cook the onions up until they become light brown. To help expedite the process, I'll put the lid on. And in the meantime, I will start chopping my jalapeno pepper and my garlic. Be sure to stir in between. I'm using 1 big jalapeno. If you like less spicy food, you can skip the jalapeno altogether or maybe use half of it. Looks like the onions are becoming brown, so now I will add my garlic and my jalapeno. Stir this up. I will add my salt and coriander cumin powder. Stir that up. Now I will add my eggs. One at a time. Now I will also add my crushed red pepper. If you like less spicy food, you can omit this altogether. This would also be the perfect time to add some lemon juice or soy sauce if you have any. As you can see, the eggs are starting to get almost cooked up. So now I will add my leftover rice. At this point, you can add a little bit more oil. If you have more vegetables at home, like bell pepper, broccoli, carrots, peas, you can add them too when you're cooking this. I would let this cook up, close the lid, and check back on it in 2 minutes. Okay, let's check on it. Looks like it's getting all cooked up. Again, my rice was already cooked, so I don't have to cook it for that long. I was just making sure that all the egg has been cooked up. And it looks like it has, so my food is ready. And dinner is served. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Be sure to also be practicing social distancing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.